Well,
She's just sitting there. Come on. You got bouncy legs. Yay! Okay, now do it again. There you go. Is that too wobbly for you? You're moving yourself.
yeah, good job. Isn't that fun? You can stand up on your own. He's like, Dad, I prefer your help. This is no fun.
There you go. You're doing a good job. She started pulling her arms up. That's good. You need your arms to balance, right? It's just a befuddling kind of ordeal. It's like, I don't really get
All right.
it.